Welcome back to Excellent Rides. It's me, Donnie. I'm here with Zach. Here to work on the 350 for the Pontiac Trans Am, so we're going to get to it. Alright, we've been struggling trying to take the cylinder head off. With the amount of water that we saw, we said, oh, why don't we drain the oil? It's drizzling out. There is a lot, I mean a lot of water, but that's because of the fact of the night this thing actually just sat out right over there. So, I mean, we know the engine's spun free, so I'm just gonna clean it out. Flip it over. Clean this thing up.
So do we explain that we're idiots?
Yeah, we're stupid because I thought it was just the bolts down here, and then he's like, hey DJ, look, what about these ones? I'm like, gee, I wonder.
We are not the sharpest tools in the shed, ladies and gentlemen.
Nope. Okay. Point it at the bolts. So just to be known, these are two different size bolts.
Yep.
And this is for my own reference.
Yeah, the long ass ones go in these parts, the shorter ones go up here.
Yeah, well actually no, ignore that. This short one came from the end here.
Oh, what the
Same with the other one. The big tall ones go up here and in between the valve springs. For my own reference, when we put this thing back together eventually. Is all of them? Hold up. Back up.
Something on the bottom?
No, I bet it's just really a small part. Right here. Right there. It's gonna be heavy, just letting you know.
Can't. I only got one hand though.
What is it stuck on? Hold up. Lift it up.
Woo! Let's drop these somewhere.
Put it right on top of it. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Ignore that. But
That's from it sitting outside. We easily clean that up.
yeah.
Now let's do the other side. Back to you.
Yep.
Also, I just want to point out, I got this for like $40 off Temu or Wish 2.0. And by God, it works good.
Yeah, Milwaukee my ass. You know who that's targeted at.
I wonder.
I know he watches these things too.
Sometimes.
Fucking Chinesium for the win.
Oh, we're literally going to have been able to take both cylinder heads off with this thing. This thing works damn good. Right. Thank you.
Is that all of them?
This side is off. This is my working on cars hoodie. I don't care. You just need to get out of your damn hole. Come on.
There she is.
And snapped the bra. Oh. That didn't break, so we're fine. You can stop it now. Right. After much struggle and stupidity, both the cylinders are off. Inside the cylinders, I know it's hard to see with the sun, but they actually look really nice. There's still cross-hatching in the cylinder walls.
We don't talk about that one.
Don't worry about this. This is just PB Blaster. And we struggled with trying to flip this thing over because we didn't realize these really weren't tight, but now they're nice and solid. So that's pretty good.
Progress.
Yes, much progress. Now the next thing we need to do is to get the camshaft out, but that's for another day. Ain't that right?
Yeah.